Welcome to Classic TV Tuesday. Are you ready to test your brain? Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. In the original Star Trek series, the transporter malfunctions sometimes resulted in cellular-level anomalies. Which process, involving cell division, would be most critical for repairing damage caused by such a malfunction? Precisely, mitosis. In the 1990s TV show ER, doctors frequently deal with patients suffering from various ailments. A patient is diagnosed with lactose intolerance. Which enzyme are they most likely deficient in? That's right, lactase. If the crew of the Starship Enterprise, Star Trek TOS, were to encounter a planet entirely powered by renewable energy in the 23rd century, which of these energy sources would be considered the most advanced and efficient, representing a significant technological leap beyond 20th and 21st century technologies? That's right, nuclear fusion. In the TV show MacGyver, original series 1985 to 1992, the title character often used his scientific knowledge to solve problems. If MacGyver needed to determine the relative age of a rock layer, which principle of stratigraphy would be most helpful? Precisely. Principle of superposition. In the 1960s TV show Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea, the crew used a submarine to explore the ocean depths. What device, developed in the 1940s and refined since, uses sound waves to navigate and map the ocean floor? Correct, sonar. On Seinfeld, what is Kramer's first name? That's right, Cosmo. In the animated TV show The Simpsons, which character is known for eating nearly anything, representing a broad consumer within the Springfield food web? Precisely, Homer Simpson. On The Simpsons, what is the name of the nuclear power plant owner who is frequently depicted as environmentally irresponsible? That's right, Montgomery Burns. In the TV show Little House on the Prairie, what natural disaster periodically threatened the Ingalls crops and livelihood, demonstrating the fragility of agricultural ecosystems? That's right, locust swarm. On the 1970s TV show Emergency, what major environmental threat, often linked to ecosystem damage and public health concerns, did the paramedics frequently encounter while responding to emergencies in Los Angeles? Precisely, smog air pollution. Follow for your daily brain workout. Tomorrow, music legends.